economic growth.
Mpcc Working President Pinchngine NCM has ruled out the possibility of the party forming an alliance with the NPP in the Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council Khadc after the elections. CM, who previously served as the Deputy CAM under the NPP-led executive, stated that the majority of the party workers and the people of the state oppose such a move. He emphasized that any potential post-election alliances would depend on the fractured mandate and the outcome of the results on February 24th. Regarding his own re-election bid from Maukar Pintor Umkra, CM dismissed concerns over any significant support for the VPP or UDP. He stated that his return as the CEM would depend on the number of MDCs his party wins.
Kumbaga pau sebar, kami itan akan threat VPP ni nak lihat UDP. Dengan kita pada saya katakan silent boot nang batai. Kendai kumbaga pau sebar dia. Lagi ni ni sen kebentang ai bagi kan bandung kan. Cuma yang anak kebentang kandidat election memarwa. Nimba itan dia ka whip juga. UDP ni ka whip juga VPP. Maka whip juga VPP kalau compare mentang bandung suara. Pergan VPP kumbaga long haga surbabun balang. Tak bau syai nak lihat parti workers nak lihat bubun di pai barang sosial. Kata tu minta don suka.